We all have that one team member. You know, the one who just can't seem to put files in the right folder. Or maybe it's the one who saves everything locally because they just can't be bothered to save it anywhere else. You know what would save you a lot of your time, energy, and mistakes? LinkrUI. LinkrUI will automatically synchronize your Creative Cloud assets to each other and with your digital asset management system or a hosted storage hub. Using a streamlined interface that looks just like the Adobe panels you're used to, you can browse, search, and filter all of your assets without ever leaving your Creative Cloud app. And because it uses a universal connector, you can access any number of storage solutions using just one interface. Simply open or drag and drop assets from the panel onto your workspace. Create new assets or save changes that will immediately be available to your collaborators. Oh, and let's not forget that LinkrUI was made by a few guys who used to work at Adobe. So you can trust that it was tailored to work with your Creative Cloud apps from people who know them inside and out. That's why LinkrUI is the best choice for your Creative Cloud workflow. Download it for free today.